Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I wanted to change up my planner a little bit. I haven't been making it very seasonal feeling, which I think more is because I don't care for summer very much. But I do love fall and winter and spring. So I'm gonna get back into like theming my planner into like a to match the season, So I have these new discs, kind of works out perfectly because I got these new discs from the Happy Planner, and they are, I believe it's called Chai. They're these really pretty like orangey, oh, it's just a really pretty orange color. So this is very fall feel right here. I'm gonna change out my disc. I think I'm gonna keep my planner the same because I think this combo is gonna look really nice. I have just gold metal discs right now, and these are metal as well. They're new from the Happy Planner. So I'm going to change out my discs. I feel like that'll help give it more of a fall vibe on the outside of my planner. Just a simple change. Well, kind of simple. Just have to take everything out and put it on the new discs. And then I have a couple of sheets I want to add in. Some fun like fall themed pages I want to add into my planner. I'm actually going to try to do a bucket list. I'll show that in a bit. And yeah, that's kind of the idea for this video. It's gonna be a very simple, nice video, probably quick video maybe, but I'm just going to take out all of my stuff. Okay, so I just took all the pages out of the planner, and I'm gonna take the planner cover off too. This planner cover is from Live Love Posh. It's a really, really pretty planner cover. She has a few options on her site. I'll have that. You go to her link in my description. I also have a 10% off code too. But yeah, it's a really pretty like quilted type of planner cover. Okay, so I'm gonna take all these off. And then I can put these really pretty orange ones on. Okay, so I'm just gonna snap. Oh yeah, that's gonna look pretty. I like that. All right, so let me pull these out. Some of these out. Yeah, sometimes I just like to change up. Even just changing the discs helps to just give it a fresh new look, which is nice. It's simple, easy. Way to change it up. For Christmas, I have these really pretty like blue discs. I can do that. Or I think I have red too. I'll probably change the cover if I do that, but I think this combo is really pretty with the pink, the blush pink, and then this like burnt orange color. It's really nice. Okay, this is actually the front, so let me flip this around and then put the front on top. Once this goes in, it goes a little quicker. Okay, and then I can put all of my pages back in this planner. I always get questions about these sheets. I got them like back when I first started planning, which was a few years ago, and they were from like a memory keeping collection the Happy Planner used to do, and they don't have them anymore, unfortunately. I think Live Love Posh had some for a little bit. I don't know if she restocked them, but definitely check out her site. She's got a lot of accessories and stuff on there. Okay, so I'm just gonna add in all of my pages back. Actually, I'm gonna take some of these out, but for now I'm just gonna add it all back in the way it is. Okay, we got September. And then October, November, and December. So the rest of the year. Okay. So now, oh yeah, that's a pretty change. Okay, so love that look. Now, the next thing I'm gonna do is I have this sheet right here. I have a couple of these decorative pages right here from Planything, and I actually in an exclusive video It was like a planner workshop that I did with my patrons over on Patreon. I did a little workshop on how to make a little fall list like this with some paper and just kind of, you know, adhere to it. If you join any of my tiers on Patreon, you'll have access to this video. But yeah, just made a little bucket list, which I think turned out really cute. I plan on doing a bucket list again this year because I think it'll be very doable and I want to do these things. So I just have like a little nice little bucket list type of page that I can add to my planner, and then I plan on putting like pictures in just to fill it up a little bit more. I made some that open up so I could add in more photos and stuff. So that is the plan for this. So I want this to be in my planner. I think I'm gonna put it here, my bucket list. Okay, so I can refer to that towards the beginning of my planner, which I like that. And then I'm gonna stick these in just as like little reminders for myself to work on these bucket lists. So this one I plan on doing, maybe not a bucket list, but I think maybe just like documenting things, like pictures, memory keeping. There you go, memory keeping. This one's cute because it says witch night. So I wanna use that one. And then this will be cute to do like maybe a gratitude list or again, another memory keeping page for Thanksgiving. Because like most of my family will be here for Thanksgiving, which is very different because usually my sister and her family are living in a different state. So this year they'll actually be here, so that's exciting. But I'm just gonna punch these. They're sized to fit in the Happy Planner, the classic planner, but I just need to get them punched so I can easily pop them into my planner. And then this one, I'm gonna do this one too. Punch this here. Okay, so I'm gonna put these in my planner. So this one for the witch one is gonna go in October. So I'm just gonna stick this one here. It's just a little reminder for myself to do this at the beginning of the month. And then this Thanksgiving one will go in front of November for Thanksgiving. I'll do that one. And then I do have some for Christmas. I haven't decided yet what I'm going to do with these. Probably something similar, but I have a few more to do with these. Might do like a big memory keeping kind of page, which would be nice. Maybe one that opens up a little bit more than this one that I made, because this one I made to open up just one way, but you can make them to open up like a few different ways. So yeah, I might do that. Okay, so that is it. It's a simple video, but I kind of wanted just to film this, change up my discs. I feel like that makes a huge change, just changing up your discs. And you have like more of a fall look, so I love that. But that's gonna be it for this video. I thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.